Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in my this particular video I am going to discuss one very interesting concept related to the pattern matching algorithm hit or miss transform, whatever I have discussed in my previous video. Okay, so if you are a student of electronics or communication engineering or electrical engineering or computer science or information technology, then you surely have studied digital logic design course where you have studied K-map and all these things, simplification of logic design. There we have studied one concept of don't care, that is whether the position is 0 or 1, that is uh, irrelevant or does not matter for our circuit simplification. For our circuit simplification, if we require, we will consider that as 0. For our circuit simplification, if we require, we can consider that as 1. Okay, same kind of concept here in hit or miss transformation also applicable. Let me discuss with this particular image. Suppose I am having this particular image, which you can clearly understand. One boundary of black color is present, and in between that one square shape white binary object is present. These ones are indicating that object, right? Now suppose I am asking you, you have to give the first row of the square. Okay, then how you can give, how you can choose the structuring element? The idea is very simple. You can clearly see that the structuring element, if we design like this kind of shape for the foreground pixel, and for the background pixel if we design this kind of structuring element, then our job is done. You may ask why. See, 0 0 0 only for above row, and 1 1, these particular two ones will map like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, so as a result, if we can form this kind of structuring element, okay, so as a result, every time this particular structuring element will perfectly map or basically match with our first row, and as a result first row will be detected as pattern matched in our hit or miss transform. And you can clearly understand what about background pixel. See, upper part is 1 and lower part 0 0 0 does not matter. Okay, so actually I will discuss what this zeros indicates. Actually, let me just remove these zeros. So this is more better way understandable of the structuring element for the background. Why? See, simple, 1 1 1 for the above row, each position of the first column, like here 0 0 0 0 0 0, this 0 0 0 and this 0 0 0, all will fit in this 1 1 1 and 0 0, because these are 1 1, right? So I am taking 0 0 here. Now here also you can understand in this way also, complement of structuring element 1 we are taking for background, right? Now the problem is that this particular position, this particular position, this particular position, this particular position does not matter. Whatever we are choosing, our code should give the output. Actually, if we keep our structuring element like this, our intention is fulfilled. But now we cannot keep this blank, right? We have to put something, but actually those are irrelevant data set. So what I will do, I will put here 0. Okay, and try to understand what I am doing. I'll put here 0, here also 0, and here also 0. But these parts are basically not at all required for me. I have just taken to fill this. Okay, and obviously if you have option 0 or 1, obviously you will try to fill with 0, because 1 means high voltage. To store high voltage, more memory space required, all these things, right? Now our code should understand, our computer should understand that these particular parts are irrelevant. So what we will do, we will put here also 0. Okay, so this will be our structuring element. Now you may ask what happened, because we know that for whatever structuring element we are taking for foreground, reverse should be taken for background, but it is not happening. This particular AC2 is not complement of AC1. That's the concept of don't care. If you are taking same pixel at same location in case of both structuring element, for foreground and background, then computer will treat that particular part as don't care. Like this, here is 0, here is 0, so this is don't care. Here is 0, here is 0, so this is don't care. Here is 0, here is 0, this is don't care. Here is 0, here is 0, this is don't care. But what cares? This particular part 0 0 0, this is 1 1 1. This particular part computer will take care. This is 1 1, this is 0 0, computer will take care about this. So this is the concept of don't care, and this is how we can apply more flexibly our hit or miss transform for pattern matching. So here is the code. CLC clear all, close all, warning off, taken the image, taken the structuring element 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0, structuring element 2 for background 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. BW hit miss A, AC1, AC2. Figure I am show BW. That's all. If I just run the whole code, I'll be getting 2 output, but obviously output will be very small shape because here my image itself is very small. Here you can see that this is my original image, which is basically one square shape binary object with one black border, and see output of the hit or miss transform, only the upper row is selected. See, I hope you can perfectly observe. So this is the concept of don't care in hit or miss transform structuring element. In my next video, I'll be showing you some more example related to this. Practice some problems, decide your structuring element wisely with proper justification, and have fun with image processing. Thank you.